If your pergola canopy poles or supports are bending under weight, it is time to upgrade to stronger materials to keep everything solid and safe. You want to start by checking what kind of material your current poles are made of. If they are thin or cheap metal, wood, or plastic, those are the usual suspects for bending problems. Switching to thicker steel or heavy-duty aluminum poles can make a huge difference because they handle weight better and resist bending. Also, consider adding extra support beams or braces between the poles to spread out the load evenly. When you install or replace poles, make sure they're properly anchored in the ground or to the foundation so they don't wobble or lean over time. Another tip is to avoid hanging super heavy items from the canopy that exceed the weight limit of your structure. If you like fabric canopies, lightweight but durable materials like acrylic or polyester are good choices because they don't add much extra weight. Regularly inspect your pergola supports for any signs of wear or bending, especially after storms or heavy use, so you can catch problems early before they get worse. Taking these steps helps keep your pergola looking good and standing strong for years. One of the biggest mistakes people make with pergola canopy poles bending is using weak materials like thin aluminum or untreated wood that just can't handle the load. The fix is upgrading to stronger metals or pressure-treated hardwoods designed for outdoor use. Another common issue is poor installation, where poles aren't anchored deep enough or firmly secured, causing them to lean or bend under weight. Make sure your poles go into concrete footings or other solid bases for maximum stability. Lastly, many folks overload their canopy supports with heavy decorations, lights, or furniture that exceed weight limits, leading to bending and damage. The best move is to know your pergola's weight capacity and keep added items within those limits to avoid stress on the supports. BigHomeProjects.com makes finding trusted local contractors a breeze when you need help upgrading your pergola or fixing those bent poles. For contractors, it's a great way to connect with homeowners looking for reliable pros ready to tackle big home improvement jobs with confidence.